Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to waste your time and money. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we've got the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, and on the right, the Roborock Q7 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Who will suck more? Dirt, that is. Let's find out. First up, let's talk about suction power. The Shark brags about its incredible suction that'll tackle even the toughest messes. But wait, Roborock's here to throw down with a whopping 4,200 pascals suction power. It's like a vacuum on steroids. When it detects a carpet, it goes beast mode and cranks up the suction. Reviewers of the Shark love its strong suction, especially on carpets and tiles, while Roborock users are thrilled with its customizable suction power and overall performance. So if you want a vacuum that could probably double as a jet engine, Roborock's your pick. Next, navigation. The Shark uses matrix clean navigation, making multiple passes over dirt like it's doing laps in a pool. It also sports 360 degrees Lidar vision for precise home mapping. On the flip side, Roborock flaunts its PreciSense Lidar navigation, which not only maps your home but does it in 3D. You can even add virtual furniture. Reviewers find Shark's navigation effective, but note some limitations in mapping, while Roborock users rave about its precise and adaptable mapping capabilities. So if you want your vacuum to feel like it's starring in a sci-fi movie, Roborock's got you covered. Alright, let's get dirty. Or rather, let's talk about how these vacuums handle dirt. Shark has a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. It's like having a tiny garbage man living in your vacuum. Roborock, on the other hand, combines a 470 milliliters dustbin and a 350 milliliters water tank. More capacity means less emptying, but you still have to do it yourself. Reviewers appreciate Shark's self-emptying feature despite some complaints about its base capacity, while Roborock users find the dustbin and water tank sufficient, but note the need for manual emptying. So if you're as lazy as I am, Shark's self-emptying feature might just be your new best friend. For all you pet parents out there, let's talk fur. The Shark is perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filtration system. Roborock counters with a multi-directional floating all-rubber brush that resists hair tangles. Reviewers with pets love Shark's effectiveness on pet hair and its self-cleaning features, while Roborock users highlight its tangle-free brush and efficient hair pickup. So if you live in a petting zoo, both vacuums have got your back. But if you prefer a tangle-free existence, Roborock might just edge out Shark here. Battery life, the Achilles heel of all gadgets. Shark offers up to 120 minutes of runtime, with a recharge and resume feature. Not bad, but Roborock flexes with up to 180 minutes on a single charge. That's enough time to vacuum, mop, and maybe even run a marathon. Reviewers are generally satisfied with Shark's battery life, but rave about Roborock's extended runtime. So if you're in it for the long haul, Roborock wins this round. Finally, let's talk about the money, because who doesn't love talking about money? Shark comes in at $549, while Roborock asks for $599. That's a $50 difference. Reviewers feel that Shark offers great value for its price, while Roborock users believe the extra features justify the higher cost. So if you're looking to save a bit of cash while still getting a solid robot vacuum, Shark might be the way to go. But if you're willing to shell out a bit more for extra features, Roborock's your guy. Both the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra and the Roborock Q7 Max are highly praised by reviewers. Shark users highlight its strong suction, pet-friendly features, and self-emptying base, though they mention some limitations in mapping and scheduling. Roborock users are impressed with its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and long battery life, despite minor inconveniences like manual emptying. Both vacuums have their unique strengths, making them excellent choices depending on your specific needs. So there you have it, folks. Both the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra and the Roborock Q7 Max are incredible robot vacuums, each with their unique strengths. Whether you prefer Shark's self-emptying base and pet-friendly features, or Roborock's powerful suction and longer battery life, you're making a smart choice either way. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a comparison. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.